In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design an app in Framer. To get started, head over to the Framer website. This is where you'll access the editor and all the tools you need to build and style your app layout. Once the site loads, go to your profile area and open your projects. That will bring you to the workspace where all of your saved Framer files are stored. From there, click on your project to open it. After your project loads, click on any part of the canvas. This helps you begin working directly inside the design area, and it also makes the editing controls easier to access depending on what you've selected. Next, open the Style panel. This is one of the main places you'll use to design your app visually. Here, you can adjust size, refine the look of elements, and apply color combinations to create a more polished interface. Take your time in this section because styling is what gives your app its personality and makes the design feel consistent. After that, click on Pages. This section helps you see the pages inside your project so you can move around your app more easily. If your app includes multiple screens or views, this is a simple way to stay organized and navigate without losing track of where you are. Now click the plus icon to insert new elements. Framer gives you a wide range of options here, including icons, shaders, media, forms, interactive elements, social components, utility tools, creative assets, and more. This is useful whenever you want to expand your design with functional or visual pieces. Then open Layout. In this area, you can add structure to your app using frames, stacks, grids, masonry layouts, images, and video. Layout tools are especially important because they help keep your design clean and aligned. Finally, click on Text if you want to add written content, and click on Vector if you want to add shapes. These are great for building labels, headings, buttons, and simple visual elements that complete your app design.